Kristen, one of the veterinary assistants here at Grady Veterinary Hospital, and this is Hank, and we're going to talk to you a little bit today about keeping your pet pretty calm and just comfortable through thunder and loud noises. A good thing to do is to put the TV on or put them in a quiet area where they can't hear it as well, like a bathroom or something like that, so that they can't hear it as well. The TV usually works pretty well with Hank. Hank does have a little bit of storm anxiety. So the TV actually does work pretty well for Hank. You can turn it on, you know, Animal Planet or what have you. They have thunder shirts, and that helps to keep them kind of calm. Some it works well with, some doesn't work as well with. They do have a warranty on them as well, so that if it doesn't work out for your pet, you can always return them. Another good option is with Hank. Sometimes if he'll shake, kind of like he's doing now because he's a little nervous. I'll actually take a blanket, and you can take any kind of blanket that you have, anything that smells like you, anything like that, and I'll actually just kind of wrap him up in it like this, and I'll kind of hold him close to me, and I'll kind of pet him and comfort him and let him know that it's okay. If you're not going to be at home, it does help to put him in a bedroom or that kind of thing with a big blanket that smells like you and food, water. It kind of helps comfort him and helps to keep him a little bit quieter.